Hey, kill me on the block, baby. What? Kill me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby. What? 32 shot Glock, baby.
Welcome back, coding stars. In the video, we'll see how to make the first person question. It's the second video from the TV. So, let's subscribe to the channel and let's get started. So, first we need to sort all of the items. We'll make like classes like that. So the first class with the name screen setting. Okay, like that, and screen setting. We need to remove the space, but after like that, and remove the space. Go. Now select all and tab. Let's go. After we need to create another class with the name class something like player setting. Like that, setting. 2 points, and here we'll write like the player underscore width, like the underscore, wait, no, underscore width equal to something like 10, and let's go here, player high, also 10, okay, equals 10, and here we'll write like the player. Let's go x equal to none, and player y also equal to none. We'll write the value of the variables after. So here we'll write the player speed like that, player speed equal to 5, and now we'll go and write some function like that. So define draw player like that, and x position, y position. Let's go. 2 points, and here we'll write like here something like the we don't use the pygame dot rect or dot draw dot rect. We will use the window, so we need to write screen setting dot window dot blet like that, and here we'll write the sprite. So to make the sprite, we need to give him a name. So we need to create another variable with the name player amg like that, equal to pygame dot image dot load. The path is images. Also, I will give you the sprite. I'll give you all scripts in my GitHub. I'll import a sample image. So I import the Python logo, and now we'll name it to just Python like that, PNG. So go back and in the path write images slash and replace pygame with pg like that. Go back to the path and images slash. Here write python.png. So now we'll back to the draw player function, and here write player setting dot player image. So now like that, and the x position with the y or something like that. After the x and y position, and after change give the player x, player y, give him her value, its value. Now write in the while loop, we need to add function draw player function like the player setting dot player x and player setting dot player y. After we'll give him her value like the percent to player y. Let's go. Now we need to change the value in the player x. So now we'll create sample variable named size. The size is like a list, have 2 items. So the first item would have the value 800, and the second item would have the value 600. The first value have the number 0, and the second number 600 have the number 1. Something like if you will make a sample variable and variable with type list, you will make it like empty list, and you will add something like 3 items, string or ant. So the first item is 0, the second item is 352, and the third item is up. Then the first item have the value 0. The second item or the item 2 have the value 1, and the third item or the item 3 have the value 2. So now I need to back to the screen setting and create the variable name size, the type list, and like that 800 and 600 size of the window. So replace this numbers in the window with the name of the variable size, like that. Go back to the player setting and player x variable, and like that write 0, like the size 0. So screen setting dot size 0 or the width divided by 2 minus the player width and divided by 2. So go to the player y and write like the screen setting dot size 1, the high. Remember, this is the list, the second item. So now screen height minus the player high, so like the 100. So problem because the player we need to set up add something like 115, 18, 16, anything like that. Oh, like that, cool. So set this something like 2.1 or 0.2 or anything. No point. Let's get try 0.3. Cool. So now we'll go here, and we need to add the keys. So now write the keys script. So now we'll try the game. Oh no, we have problems, so we need to fix it in the while loop. So in the while loop we will add a sample line. This line gonna fill the background every frame. So if the player gonna go and the program gonna draw the player again, you can't see all of the players. You'll see just one player because the player gonna be hidden if the program gonna draw the player again, and the while loop gonna draw the player every frame, and the background gonna fill every frame. The player gonna be hidden, and the new player gonna be visible. So like that. So now we'll copy this line and we'll pass it on the while loop. So copy it and let's go pass it here like that. Go and here write like the screen setting, write screen setting dot window dot fill. So now we can run the game to try. Rename the variable the color variable to white, and replace the name of the variable in the fill function with the name of the of the color of the variable, like the color variable. So now we'll run the game to try like that. Now you can move and you can see all correctly. So nice. Now if you will see in the border, player have collider, yes, the border don't have haven't collider. So if the player gonna touch the border, the player can move out of the window. So that's not good for the player, for the user. We need to set the player just in the window. If the player gonna touch the border, it's gonna back, or if the player is gonna out from the border size, he's gonna go back, and he can't to go out from the window. So we need to fix this problem right now. So to fix the problem we need to write just two lines, the x and the y. So now we need to write a player setting dot player x, like that, player x equal to, yeah, and right like the max 0 and main. And now we'll write like the player setting dot, like that, no, dot player, like that. So here the screen setting dot size 0. Now just like the minus player, like that, no, player, or just like the player setting, we need to replace the player setting, but wait, player, like that, and let's go back, go here, and write here player setting, player width. So just duplicate it and repeat it in the second line, like that, and replace. So just replace the player x with the player y, and replace the size 0 with size 1, like that, go, like the y, and size 0 with the size 1, also the width with the high. So now we need to run the game again to try. Let's go. So you can try with me. The player can't exit from the window, like that.